Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting Gamehub installed and ready. Open the Play Store or sideload the APK and install it now. Once installed, sign in or create an account so your library syncs across devices and enable cloud saves to protect progress. Make sure to grant storage, controller, and overlay permissions, then restart the app so settings take effect. This prevents odd launch failures and lets you add games immediately. Next, add your games by scanning the device or by using Add Game to import APKs or ROMs. You can also link launchers for automatic discovery. Then configure each title. Set resolution, frame limit, controller mapping, and battery profile to balance performance versus battery life. Make sure to organize the library with tags and filters, and choose internal versus SD storage for large installs. Once configured, updates and controller profiles will apply automatically when you launch titles. Finally, launch games directly from the library and use the in-app overlay to access screenshots, performance stats, and quick settings while playing. If a title runs poorly, tweak shaders, VSync, and audio latency, then save that profile for other similar games so you don't repeat steps. If a game fails to start, clear the app cache, reinstall Gamehub, or retoggle storage and overlay permissions. This one troubleshooting tip resolves most launch errors and gets you back to playing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.